Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Luxury Kings. Today I'll be covering the 10 most expensive spas in the world. Let's get into the video. Number 10, Luna Weimar Spa at Waldorf Astoria Los Cabos, Pedregal, Mexico. Guests enter the Waldorf Astoria Los Cabos, Pedregal through Mexico's only privately owned tunnel and emerge in Los Cabos' most luxurious resort. Each room comes with a private plunge pool, and guests are gifted a bottle of Clase Azul Reposado tequila upon arrival. True to its name, Luna Weimar offers its visitors a menu of treatments inspired by the lunar cycle, the sea, and authentic Mexican folk healing. Located in the glamorous Waldorf Astoria Los Cabos, Pedregal, it spares no expense to create a beautiful atmosphere. Number 9, The Farm at San Benito, Philippines. This gorgeous spa resort offers life-changing week-long getaways where visitors can choose between experiences like mental health, holistic wellness, and cellular detoxification. Each experience comes with physical activities, personalized consultations, detox meals, and health talks. Each night of detox at the farm costs $580.
It's special because every single guest that visits our property finds a special connection between him.
Number 8, Kalkloof Safari Spa, South Africa. This well-respected boutique spa lodge in South Africa combines tours of the savannah with a luxurious 5-star spa. With only 16 villas, the Kalkloof gives each visitor personalized attention and unique care. Included in the $620 a night boutique villa are meals, non-alcoholic beverages, 2 drives to the safari, and unlimited spa access. Number 7, Six Senses Spa at Savneva, Kiri, Thailand. Set in the island of Jo Kood, surrounded by lush jungle and bordered by pristine beaches, Savneva, Kiri is a beautiful eco-friendly getaway for those who can stomach its 5-star bill. The Six Senses Spa describes their approach as high-tech and high-touch, and with service crafted around the individual. Looking for a special honeymoon gift? The Six Senses priciest offering is a $729 romance journey. Number 6, U Palm Beach at U Palm Beach, Florida. U Palm Beach sets itself apart from other spas with its sky-high prices, luxe treatments, and whimsical touches. Instead of spa water and dried fruits, the U Palm Beach treats its visitors to cupcakes, champagne, and cute rubber duckies, and a make-your-own exfoliant bar. The U has an extensive menu of couples treatments made for you and your beloved to unwind and relax. Want to spoil your sweetheart? Try the $950 Queen of Hearts treatment.
Nice to excel. We are ready to welcome you back to O Palm Beach with an added level of confidence in our impeccable service and high standards of hospitality.
Number 5, Spa Grande at the Grand Waila Waldorf Astoria Resort, Maui. The Spa Grande has no shortage of accolades, voted one of the top 10 spas in the U.S. by both Condé Nast Traveler and Travel and Leisure magazines. The Spa Grande fuses ancient Hawaiian, Eastern, and Western healing techniques to produce an extensive offering of relaxing and luxurious treatments. Visitors looking to splurge can get the 110-minute Grand Hydrofacial for $430 and choose from a wide variety of cute Yopo sweetheart journeys, like the 3-hour $900 Tropical Paradise for 2. Number 4, Ananda Spa, India. Set in the gorgeous Moorish-style palace and 100 acres of virgin forest, this destination spa describes itself as a spiritual pathway to the ultimate. Discovering through the union of body, mind, and soul, located in the foothills of the Himalayas, the Ananda Resort is for serious spa junkies and dedicated yoga and wellness enthusiasts. It offers a fully comprehensive menu of programs that visitors can choose between, including holistic yoga, stress management, active and core fitness. Each program has a full schedule of activities built to relax, heal, and give spiritual peace to the guests. Number 3, Varua Te Ora Polynesian Spa at the Brando, French Polynesia. Situated in the Brando's own private island, Varua Te Ora Polynesian Spa at the Brando uses traditional Polynesian techniques to alleviate stress and tension, inspire relaxation, and restore inner harmony and peace. Their signature fair menu experience is their priciest offering. For $1,392, guests get 3 hours inside Varua Te Ora's gorgeous fair menu. High in the tree canopy, this architectural gem is built to inspire relaxation. Number 2, Amon Spa at Amanagiri, Utah. Located a 25-minute drive from the nearest town and with over 600 acres of land, the Amangiri Resort is a stunning Southwest getaway. The Amangiri's sharp lines, concrete structures, and stunningly raw scenery offer visitors a unique, transcendent experience grounded in rich Navajo history. The 25,000 square feet Amon Spa takes its inspiration from local Navajo healing traditions. Each treatment references earth, water, fire, or earth. Number 1. La Reserve, Geneva, Switzerland. Located only in the shores of Geneva Lake, this 5-star hotel spa oozes bygone beauty and old-world glamour. Their spa's long menu features medical counseling, massages, tennis lessons, and salon treatments. And when their spa treatment is over, guests can head over to Cafe Lauren for a delicious nutritionist-approved delicacies. La Reserve Geneva also offers guests multi-day-long courses at the $9,500 2-week Nessens Better Aging Intensive Program that combines physical activities, massage, and yoga, and a personalized menu. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any other videos in the future. Also watch the 2 videos that are on your screen, because I'm sure you'll love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.